First, ito yun. This one is in this one. I put this one here so I can use it easily. Okay, so I'm going to put it on my hands with gloves.
Always use gloves.
Always use gloves because it's important. Spread it all over, especially their feet, because their feet, I have seen that they have a lot of fungal infection. Don't worry, you can hold them here. They will fold. But be careful, of course. Kittens are okay to be like this, but if adult kitten, of course not. Especially the butthole. And then here, it's dirty. I don't have wipes. I will clean it with... Okay. Then, of course, they don't have mom. You have to massage their tummy every night. Softly. Because they don't have mom. I saw her, she have here. See? The spots. You have to put some drops. Directly. After spreading it all, rub it. Make sure that it will come to the skin, or else you will waste your medicine.
Not on the fur.
Not only on the fur, but on the skin. Let it sit. I noticed that she has here also, same in the gray one. So I'm going to put it here. They're supposed to be spray, but I don't trust spray since spray will only have on the hair. So better put it. I saw it also. When you saw some spot with almost blood, almost bald, like the hair is almost coming out, put some. That's important. Check up the others. The neck. For example, this one. She have some spot here. So you have to put it here. Rub it. This one is for my cream, for my serum, so it's easy. See, she likes it. So, I saw some spot also. I think this one. You're lucky that you have a flashlight. The one with ultraviolet. The green spot, you can put it. Now, done checking the other sides. Make sure that you will rub it properly. And I saw some spot on the faces. Use cotton buds. Don't use droplets or spray. Okay? Use cotton buds, earbuds. Then, dip it. Then, slowly, like this. Wait lang pa. Wait lang pa. On here. So that's it. We already done. This is vitamins earlier. I forgot to clean it. We are all already done. Okay. Done with the throw it. Only one dip throw. Okay. I'm done with Gentasol. Inside of this one is Gentasol. Okay. And then after that, I will use this one. Skavun. Okay? Just a pea small size only. Rub it on your hands. Rub it on their fur like this. Okay? Same as you did from the sorry.
Gentasol.
Gentasol. It's okay. It will be like this. There's a medicine.
Don't put too much.
Don't put too much because this is hot. Like, again, use some earbuds. Okay? After using earbuds, sorry. Wait, baby. No. Stay there. Ah, stubborn. Wait. I know you wanted to go out, but okay. And then rub it. I saw some spot here. I will rub it also. Okay? And I saw some other spot as well. I'm going to rub it. Same procedure. Okay. It's almost done. Dada, our cream is almost done. Okay, I will use the other side, of course. For the forehead, I make sure that the skin touches the cream and then the solution for Gentasol. Why? It's useless if the skin is not touching the solution or the medicine. Okay? It's okay, their fur will grow sooner. Okay. After that, I saw some spot. What else? Saan nga yun, Labs? Ito na. I forgot where's the spot. And yeah, here. Okay. Some spots here. Yeah, sorry. Sorry po. Make sure that it will touches. And then the last one here. Sorry po. You're making ow. Sorry po. But make sure when you flip them, you will not injure them, of course. Cats is flexible, but you have to be careful. Wait. Okay. Now I'm going to check if I rub it all. Since no, I have. Because it's really a lot in this area. Okay. This area and in this area. I'm making double coat. Why? I'm making sure. And then, let it dry. After drying it, this one, I already did this yesterday, so it's fine. This one, this is Flick and Tea. So they will not have any small insects. Because small insect will start the worms. This one is supplement, but I recommend Ventaquinol. I will show you the picture. And then that's it. Why I have this one? I will rub it to him. To her. Pala. This is female cat. Yes. This is not recommended actually. But I want her to look nice. Because she already had her skin. Poor baby. So yes. We're done. Good job, Yuna. Yes, we're done. Okay na.